Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Pi Network account, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Pi Network app. If you have uninstalled it, download it again from the official Pi Network website or your app store. Never use third-party links to avoid scams. Step 2. Start the recovery process. Tap sign in and choose recover your account. You will need either the phone number or Facebook account linked to your Pi account. If you change numbers, skip to the end for a pro tip. Step 3. Verify your identity. Enter the OTP sent to your phone or Facebook. Once verified, you will be prompted to enter your 24-word security passphrase. This is crucial. If you didn't save it, recovery gets tricky. Always store it safely. Next time. Step 4. Restore your account. Type in your passphrase exactly as saved. Double check for typos. Hit submit and voila. Your Pi balance and mining progress should reappear. What if you lost your passphrase or original device? If you ask that, sadly, Pi's decentralized design means no passphrase equals no recovery. But you can email support at minepi.com with details. They might help. If you verify ownership, always back up your passphrase in multiple places. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.